So part of the inability to really be in touch with your Dharma or to take the daily steps to fulfilling it is that the elements themselves are absent, or they're unavailable, or they hide, as it were. Practice, then, is a daily effort to pull back, or to pull the elements back into your reality, to recover the elements, to remember them. And it's funny, there's a cosmic joke or a humor aspect because they're so basic, they're elemental. The earth, it's always there, right underneath you, but somehow through doing your asana practice, you have to reclaim it. You have to remember and kind of own your stance on the earth. And the same, the breath is coming in, going out 21,600 times every 24 hours, and it's a representative of the element of air, wind, yet we barely ever really pay attention to even one breath. And this is why yoga practice is about creating a contemplation of elemental forces, a remembrance of them, and an ability to manipulate them and direct them and generate them in order to understand this sacred work and to see yourself as the sacred spiritual being that you are.